The 2013 Edge thrills with more power and MPG. Either way, you're in for an exhilarating experience with Ford Edge and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, airbags, automatic transmission, power steering, cruise control, Bluetooth, FWD, compass, passenger airbag, power door locks, power windows, trip computer, tachometer, rear wiper, heads-up display, privacy glass, power heated outside mirrors, rear spoiler. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.